In Business Central, when using reminders, as a standard, when open entries still have not been paid since our last reminder, the reminder level will be increased. So here I can see a reminder for the School of Fine Art and the transactions that they're being reminded for. I can see here some footer text. Now this text, just remember, is based off the reminders, terms. And from this customer who's using foreign, I can see the levels. Here I can see 3 levels, and against each level we have beginning and end text. So I can see the end text here, which is, so this is level 3, and you've now been sent to our attorney, so that's a little bit. And I can see at the beginning, there is no beginning text. Alright, but what we want to do is we want to bring this back a level to level 2, which has a different message. If the balance is not received within 10 days, your account will be sent for collections. So let's look at the reminder. It says level 3. I'm going to click Home, Update Reminder Text. We're going to change this back to level 2. Press OK. And as you can see, the warnings, the header and the footer will update to that reminder level based on the header.